Hi there. Meet Andrew. Andrew has a problem. He is a business owner that is worn out from wearing too many hats in his business. How will Andrew get everything done? Managing IT for his business takes up a lot of valuable time. He doesn't have the knowledge or expertise to truly manage his IT. He gets pulled in a million different directions every day. He feels like he will never get everything done. Andrew knows that Google is changing their algorithm soon, and he needs to do something about his outdated website. In March 2021, Google will stop showing websites that are not mobile-friendly in their search results. It has been proven that 82% of the time, if a website is not mobile-friendly, the customer will leave. His website is on the second page of Google search results. His competitor's website outperforms his site, and he is not sure how they are doing it. However, Andrew is a great problem solver and knows there has to be someone reliable and knowledgeable to help him. He remembers that he recently discovered the professionals at Brilliant Digital. Brilliant Digital can provide the complete IT services Andrew needs and can serve as his outsourced IT department. They can deliver responsive web designs that not only convert, but look good on screens of any size, including mobile devices. With their search engine optimization service, Brilliant Digital can help Andrew stay on top of his competition. Now, Andrew has one partner to solve all of his problems, so he can focus on running his business and taking care of his customers. Great job, Andrew. You look like a problem solver too. Visit us at thebrilliantdigital.com to learn more about partnering with us. Talk to you soon.